Still scrubbing your floors with a mop that leaves streaks and misses corners? The wrong mop doesn't just waste time. It leaves your floors looking dirty no matter how hard you work. That's why in this video, I'll show you the best flat mops for US homes. The ones that actually clean fast, reach every corner, and last. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal the features most buyers overlook, and it's the key to spotless floors without the struggle. Chapters are in the description. Start with the mop head material. High-quality microfiber pads are the gold standard. They trap dust, absorb spills, and can clean with little or no chemical solution. Next, make sure the mop has a 360-degree swivel head. That flexibility is what helps you reach under cabinets, appliances, and tight spaces. If you're considering a mop and bucket setup, choose one with a wringer or dual chamber system so dirty water never touches your floors again. The handle design matters more than most people realize. Go for a lightweight, adjustable pole with a comfortable grip, otherwise long cleaning sessions turn into back strain. A wide mop head, at least 12 inches, speeds up cleaning large areas while still being nimble enough for kitchens and hallways. When it comes to upkeep, always check that the pads are machine washable and easy to replace. A mop that uses proprietary, hard-to-find pads can cost you more over time. The right flat mop should feel sturdy in your hands, move smoothly across surfaces, and make cleaning feel like less of a chore, not more. Let's see our top 5 picks that you can buy from Amazon. All the links are in the description. Number 5, the Judgerdo Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set is designed to make floor cleaning less of a hassle and more of a breeze. Its 2-chamber bucket separates washing and drying, with a fixed scraper that removes hair and dirt in one section, while the oscillating scraper in the drying chamber squeezes water out more thoroughly. This clever setup keeps your mop cleaner and your hands dry. The flat mop head rotates a full 360 degrees, letting you glide into corners, under furniture, and along baseboards without straining. Paired with the extended stainless steel handle that reaches up to 61.8 inches, it's also handy for walls and windows. No step stool or ladder required. Reusable microfiber pads are included, known for their strong water absorption and ability to tackle both wet messes and dry dust. With 4 pads in the set, you can rotate them out, rewash as needed, and avoid the expense of disposables. Customers praise the system for being easy to use and effective, noting that the pads pick up dirt well and the wringer mechanism saves time. Many appreciate that it's suitable for elderly users and makes mopping quicker and less tiring. Its compact size and built-in drainage plugs add to the convenience. That said, sturdiness reviews are mixed. Some find it durable while others report issues over time. This mop and bucket set is a smart choice if you want a versatile, budget-friendly cleaning tool for everyday use, though those needing heavy-duty durability may prefer a stronger build. Number 4, the O-Cedar H2 Pro Flat Mop System brings a modern twist to everyday floor cleaning with a smart, compact design. Its standout dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, so every pass is done with fresh water, helping reduce cross-contamination and delivering a consistently better clean. A 1.2-liter tank can cover up to 650 square feet before needing a refill, making it efficient for quick cleanups or larger spaces. The mop is lightweight and easy to maneuver, with a slim profile that stores neatly under sinks or in closets. Built-in water jets evenly saturate the microfiber pad, ensuring full coverage without batteries or extra parts. The mop head itself is extra wide, 4.33 inches, x 15.95 inches, covering more ground with fewer swipes to save you time. The telescopic handle extends up to 56 inches, reducing strain while letting you reach under furniture and into tight spots. O-Cedar includes a reusable, machine-washable microfiber pad, so there's no need for disposable refills. You can customize the clean by adding up to 2 teaspoons of your preferred solution, or just stick with water for a lighter refresh. Safe on hardwood, vinyl, laminate, and tile, it's tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces. Customers highlight its convenience for everyday spills, praising the water separation feature and lightweight build. Many find it more effective than traditional mops and worth the price, while a few feel the build quality could be sturdier. This mop system is a strong fit for those wanting quick, eco-friendly cleaning without the bulk of traditional mop and bucket setups. For the latest prices, check the links in the description below. Number 3, the Hometler Mop and Bucket Set is designed for anyone who wants a cleaner, more hygienic way to tackle household floors. Its 3-tank flat mop and bucket system keeps clean and dirty water completely separate, so every swipe uses fresh water. No more spreading grime from one room to the next. A generous 3L tank can handle over 1,000 square feet per fill, making it efficient for larger spaces. Cleaning is hands-free thanks to the built-in washing system. A water pump evenly moistens the pad while a fixed brush scrapes off dirt and debris, keeping your hands out of dirty water. When it's time to wring, the swing squeegee in the drying chamber squeezes out moisture, letting you control how wet or dry the mop pad should be. The mop head rotates a full 360 degrees and tilts at 45 degrees, perfect for sliding under furniture or reaching corners. The stainless steel handle extends up to 65 inches, reducing back strain and making it easy to clean walls, ceilings, or tall windows without a ladder. The extra-wide mop head covers more surface in fewer passes, and the set includes 4 reusable microfiber pads, durable, absorbent, and machine washable. Customers appreciate how well the system separates clean and dirty water, noting it makes floor cleaning more effective and sanitary. Compact, lightweight, and easy to store, the Hometler mop and bucket set is a smart choice for apartments, dorms, and multi-level homes where quick, efficient cleaning matters. Check the latest prices using the links in the description. Number 2, the top-tier product Store X3 Mop XL takes everyday cleaning to the next level with its oversized design and innovative bucket system. Its mop head is 35% larger than standard models, so you'll cover more ground in less time, perfect for busy households. What sets this mop apart is its 3-chamber water separation system, which keeps clean and dirty water completely separate. That means you'll always mop with fresh water instead of spreading grime around. The bucket even includes built-in teeth that scrape off pet hair and debris from the mop pad, making it a smart choice for homes with furry friends. The mop head itself rotates a full 360 degrees, giving you the flexibility to reach under furniture, along baseboards, and into corners with ease. It works both wet for deep cleaning and dry for dusting, so it's just as handy for ceilings and windows as it is for floors. 3 reusable microfiber pads come included, designed to trap dirt and absorb spills without the waste of disposable refills. With its sturdy build, extended reach, and eco-friendly design, the X3 Mop XL is built to last, and it's backed by a lifetime replacement guarantee. Customers like the way it cleans quickly, leaving floors to dry fast after mopping. The separate water chambers get high praise for making the process more hygienic, though some feel the price is on the higher side. If you want a multi-purpose mop that's efficient, pet-friendly, and built to handle years of use, this system is a solid investment. Don't forget, all the best buying links are in the description. Number 1, the Bomity Mop and Bucket Set offers a smarter, cleaner way to keep your floors spotless. Unlike traditional mop systems, its C-Clear dual-chamber design separates dirty water from clean, so you can actually track the difference as you go. Every swipe uses fresh water, ensuring dust, pet hair, and grime are fully removed instead of recirculated. Built with durable stainless steel and PP materials, the system is designed to withstand daily use without flimsy parts snapping or pedals breaking. The adjustable handle gives you flexibility and ergonomic comfort, extending to suit different cleaning tasks, from floors to windows and even walls. Thanks to its 45 degrees automatic return flat mop head, reaching under furniture, along baseboards, and into tight corners is simple. No more missed spots or dead zones, just a thorough, even clean every time. The set includes 6 microfiber mop pads in 2 types: standard pads for hardwood, tile, or laminate, and specialty pads for tackling pet hair and dust. Both are reusable and machine washable, saving you money compared to disposable. Customers highlight the system's lightweight, compact build, 40% lighter than similar designs, making it easier to carry upstairs or move from room to room. The bucket's drain plug makes emptying quick and mess-free, while the slim profile stores neatly under sinks or in closets. For those wanting efficiency, versatility, and a sanitary mop system, the Bomity Mop and Bucket Set is a practical upgrade that delivers both convenience and clean floors. Check the links below for the latest prices. I hope this video helped you find the perfect mop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a smart home pick.